Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plug wires. This particular engine is a Honda VTEC 4-cylinder. Got some new plug wires here. And there's the part number. Like I said, these are from a 93 through 97 Honda VTEC. First off, get your new plug wires, pull them out of the box. And it also comes with new retaining clips if your old ones are busted. Alright, first thing you want to do is take these plug wires. What I like to do is put them all together in my hand so I know they're right there together so I can find the length. Obviously, furthest one away from the distributor is going to be the longest one. So, got the longest one here. And just pull them out one at a time. So, as you can see, you can match them up and see. Also the same length. I'm going to go ahead and on to the next one. So we're going to take and match them up here with the old one as far as the length. And we'll install this one. Make sure you get them fully seated into the rotor button. I'm sorry, not the rotor button, your distributor. This little clip here. Make sure you get the new one. Make sure you get that to fully seat inside the distributor housing. Because if you don't, it'll arc and your vehicle will not run properly. It'll sit there and possibly could throw a misfire or a misfire code on your cylinder. And the final one. Like I said, it's this clip right here. Make sure you get that seated all the way inside the distributor housing, inside your cap. Because if not, like I said, it can throw a misfire on you. And the vehicle not run properly. And there you go, guys. Pretty simple here. And that's how you replace the plug wires and install them on Honda VTEC. If y'all found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up button. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Also, any other things y'all like to see done on a Honda engine or any other engine, whether it's a Chevy, Ford, a Hyundai, a Honda, Mercedes, Toyotas, I got them all. Leave some comments below. Let me know. Y'all have a great day.